Hello everyone and welcome back to Brink of Speed. My name is Mike and today I am so excited to bring you this track footage of me on the track with my brand new 2023 Camaro SS 1LE. Today we're going to test it out and find out if everyone is correct about this thing being a track beast, and we're going to find out if it's really as good as everyone says it is. But we're not going to just find out from me. No, the good news is I've got two professional race car drivers that are going to drive my car and test it out as well. So we have, first of all, Lou Gelati of G2 Motorsports, which is where we will be driving, and Jesse Awuji from NASCAR. Both will be driving my car along with me, testing it out and finding out whether this thing is truly as good as it's supposed to be, and we're gonna have a blast. All right, let's get into it. So check that out, ladies and gentlemen. I am almost at 1,500 miles. I don't think a few miles are going to hurt anything, but I'm going to go out on the track first by myself, just do some warm-up laps, get the car warmed up, and then I think Lou is going to join me after that. We're going to get his take on things, and then after that, it'll be Jesse and Lou, and then hopefully me and Jesse. So first off, before I get started, I hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage there. I tried to put something really cool together for you guys. We actually had great weather out here, low wind, so hopefully you enjoyed that. But also, I want to just say a huge thanks to Trevor. Trevor's actually with me. He's inside right now talking with Lou and Bobby, but he hooked me up with BSP Motorsports, and you guys know they lowered my car, my C8 Corvette, but I took on short notice, I took this to them yesterday and got all the fluids changed. I am good to go. I have brand new oil in there, and I have brand new Motul 600 degree brake fluid, so I am good to go. Thank you so much, Brandon at BSP Motorsports in Frisco, Texas. If you need anything done to your car, all their information is linked in the description below. Okay, so I just let the air out of these tires. These are the Eagle F1s, and you can see this is the wear line right now so far. I haven't pushed the car at all, obviously, on the street, but by the time I get done today, it should be way over here. So these are brand new tires. We'll see what they do. Running about 24 PSI in all these tires. So I got Trevor out here, Bobby, and we're gonna go ahead and hit the track. I'm super excited.
What'd you get up to there?
Like 110. So nothing huge. Dude, Bobby, what
Come on, bro!
What are you doing?
Trying to set a lap record!
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, here it is. Yes.
Use the whole track there.
Yeah, right, baby. This asphalt is amazing.
The what?
The asphalt.
Oh yeah.
It's just so much grip.
Yep, it's amazing.
Oh, we're the best quarter.
This time we won't get slowed down.
Yes. Oh yeah, finish up strong.
Oh yeah. God, this car handles
This thing is
amazing.
sick, dude. It's on rails.
All right, let's see what. All right, here we go.
Jesse's waving to us.
I love it. I love it. Dude, I left a lot out there, but you know, again, I've got to get used to this track. I don't have any markers except for the braking markers. I have no apex cones, and I've only, done maybe 8-10 laps on this track. So it's going to take me quite a few more laps to get really comfortable. Plus, this is my first time ever driving a Camaro on a track. So I've got a lot of firsts going on here, and it's, you know, you got to be very careful. This is a $55,000 car. I don't want to wreck out on a track. First time ever coming out here, so you just got to be careful. I've got my passenger with me, Trevor from the Detail Lab, and he's videoing, which is actually really impressive that you're able to video.
Trying.
But Jesse just showed up, and I'm going to do one.
And a matching Camaro.
Yeah, he's got a Camaro out there.
Black
You can
Camaro.
zoom in if you want.
Just waiting in the weeds for it.
So yeah, just doing a cool down lap now. I just wanted to get one really good lap, and I'm not even sure how fast that was. I'm not worried about it. Oh man, what an amazing time that was. Like I said, in the car, this thing is fantastic. I'd have to say it's just as good as a Z51 C8 on the track. I mean, it might not have quite as much acceleration, especially with the 6-speed manual. But anyway, enough of that. Check out who's here. Jesse Awuji. He's in his full suit from NASCAR.
I'm safe now.
Exactly. And he brought his Camaro.
V6 Camaro right here. Not gonna tell you where I got it from, but I got it. And yeah, now we got this. But today it's all about this SS 1LE right here. Amazing car from what I'm hearing. All the specs. I mean, the thing is a track version of the Camaro SS. You can get a standard SS, and it actually does halfway decent on track. I've driven one on track. But this, I've never driven one of the 1LEs on track, so I'm really interested to see how this thing handles compared to a normal Camaro SS, how it handles compared to a ZL1. I've driven a ZL1 on track 1LE, and that thing was pretty epic, so I'm really curious to see. It's not going to be an overpowered car, which is great, but it's going to handle really well. It's going to be very well balanced, and I think it's going to be well mannered on the track, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this thing does today.
Yeah, and I told him in the beginning, like, I know you'll be honest, but I want your honest opinion. Because everybody that's talked about this car has said it is a track beast. So is it going to be a track beast to a professional race car driver?
We'll see. We'll see how it is. I mean, luckily I've gotten experience, a few laps of experience on this track already with my C8 Z06, and so I generally kind of know how it feels. So even though we didn't go 10/10 and push it to the max, I still got a general feel. So now that I still kind of have that feel from just a few months ago, and we can jump into this, I'll be able to kind of feel, okay, like how does it feel? Is it close? Is it similar? It'll be kind of interesting to see what we're able to come up with today with this car.
Awesome. Let's do it, man.